What's your name? What's your name?
Ella.
What's my name?
Mommy.
Who's that over there?
Ginny.
Who's that?
Daddy.
Daddy? Yeah? What else can you tell me? Is that Twinkle Twinkle? Can you sing happy birthday for me?
No.
No happy birthday? Say stop. Okay, you sing it. Here, let her have a chance and then you can do it again. Okay, now it's Ella's turn. Go.
Oh, don't sing about me.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
No.
No. Can you go twirl for me?